Video I will show you step by step how you made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and I will share with you new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission. It can be up to 10k per month this month. And anyways, okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. Okay, so what you will do, you will put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account and you should have an account like this one. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, so what you will do, so now I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to find a profitable affiliate links to promote on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to find, okay, how to find winning, as you can see. So YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to find winning products for dropshipping, how to find winning products for dropshipping, how to find winning products. Okay, those people who are searching for those topics, okay, how to find winning products for dropshipping, those people has money and they are ready to invest money. Okay, so what you will do, how to find winning products for dropshipping, I will go to Fiverr. Okay, go to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for dropshipping product research. Okay, search for this keyword. Okay, so you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, and so as you can see, we'll find a lot of people here who are providing, who can do products research for drop shipping. Okay, so those people on YouTube who are searching for how to find winning products for drop shipping, they will be interested to buy those services. Okay, a lot of people will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so I will choose, for example, let me see.
Have you tried everything but can't seem to increase those numbers?
This one looks really good. This one has a video that's really good. Level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, click on his video.
Are you struggling to
Click on his video, double click, save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. Okay, gonna name it winning product. Save. After you finish, go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video, you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file. Okay, and upload this video to Canva. Okay, open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background like this, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Click on the text that you want to use. Your text will be over here. Click on this one, delete, and I will make it. You can decrease the font size from here or increase font size from here. Okay, and I will put this text here, double click, check, write this sentence, check link in description. Okay, check link in description like this. Okay, people who will watch this video, they will see this sentence, check link in description. They will check your description, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, check link in description like this, and that's it. Let's
Are you
okay, check link in description, click. So what you will do, click on element. Okay, and go to shapes. Okay, and use this one. Click on the shape that you want to use. So for example, I will use this one. So just to make this title looking good, okay, and clear like this. Okay, it's good now. Okay, let me check.
struggling to generate Shopify sales? Have you tried everything but can't seem to increase those numbers?
Good. You will click on share, you will click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. Okay, go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, and use this keyword. Okay, in your title put this keyword. Just copy and paste how to find winning products for dropshipping, and that's it. Don't add or change anything. Add the same title. Okay, so people who will use this keyword to search for how to find winning products for dropshipping, they will find your video in YouTube search. Okay, and you will see this, check link in description. They will check your description, they will find your affiliate link. If they click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this Fiverr profile page on Fiverr. They will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, it's super easy, but it needs a lot of consistency and hard work. Okay, it's easy. You can start with $0, you can start with no money, and you can promote affiliate links on YouTube. And YouTube has, did you know that YouTube has 33 billion monthly visitors? YouTube is the number 2 search engine in the world after Google. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube. 33 billion monthly visitors. Okay, so there are millions of people every single day are searching for YouTube on YouTube for services, products, a lot of topics. Okay, you can use YouTube to promote affiliate links and start making money. It's super easy. Okay, but it needs a lot of consistency and hard work, and you need to promote a lot of affiliate services. Okay, affiliate links services. That's it. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube. So if you don't know how to put affiliate links on in your YouTube description, I will leave a YouTube link in my description below, so you can guys check it and follow step by step my methods, okay, for free. Check link in my YouTube description. I will put it in my YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.